Welcome to this video. My name is Praveen. I am from southern part of India, working with Prashant Kishore in his Jan Swaraj Abhiyan from the last 20 months. And today the video of the topic of discussion in this video is what Prashant Kishore actually doing in Bihar. See, majority of the people, majority of the journalists and TV shows that you telecast Prashant Kishore's interviews, they tend to ask all these, which are unproductive questions to Prashant Kishore. He has done more, he is been doing more things in Bihar. Instead of asking that, majority of the people tend to ask who is winning 2024, who is going to win next Haryana elections, who is going to win Maharashtra election, who is going to win Jharkhand elections and all that. But see, the Prashant Kishore has left this profession of political consulting or political strategizing in 2021 itself. After that, he is doing his Jan Swaraj Abhiyan in his home state of Bihar. So people do not tend to ask any such progressive questions. If they ask about the whole of the country, and they do not tend to ask about Bihar. If you if you see many interviews, they'll say India, Pakistan, Bihar, ये वो करते हैं, पर वो लोग बिहार के स्पेसिफिक प्रशांत किशोर क्या कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में बात नहीं करते हैं. So I'll bring it to you in this video. I'll bring to you what's Prashant Kishore actually doing in Bihar. See, Prashant Kishore has a big game plan in Bihar. He wants to transform Bihar into one of the finest states in this country. He wants to bring Bihar in first 10. He wants to make Bihar among the first 10 states in India. So in order to improve that, he has a very good game plan, and in this video I am going to explain what he is actually doing in Bihar. See, I'll give you in three instances where he is working and what he is doing in Bihar. Basically, he is doing his Jan Swaraj Abhiyan, Jan Swaraj Padyatra in Bihar, and he is going to people and he is making people जागरूक. उसको एक फिर से पुनर्जीवित कर रहा है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, उसको जागरूक कर रहा है. So is what I have to say is awakening people. See, what he will be going to the village and say, he is essentially saying that भाई आप लोग जब तक जाति धर्म 500 रुपया के लिए मोदी जी से हटाने के लिए लालू जी को हटाने के लिए मोदी जी को वोट देते रहेंगे, 500 रुपया लेके वोट देते रहेंगे, मुर्गा भात खा के वोट देते रहेंगे, आपको कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. जब समाज चोर है, नेता चोरे बनेगा. जब मुखिया जी का चुनाव हुआ, 500 रुपया लेके वोट दिए आप, दारू मुर्गा पर वोट दिए आप चाहते हो तो मुखिया हरिश्चंद्र बन जाए, वो कभी हो नहीं सकता है. समाज में एक दिक्कत है, बिहार का समाज चोर बनना चाहते हैं और दूसरे राजा को हरिश्चंद्र जैसा होना चाहते हैं. ये कभी हो नहीं सकता है. समाज जो है ईमानदार होगा तबे जो है नेता ईमानदार होगा. यू सी दिस as a classical example in Kerala. Majority of the leaders coming from Kerala are I cannot say that in realistic time I cannot say that they are truly fair and all things, but to an extent they are good compared to other leaders from other states. So we'll go into the topic. What he is doing is he is जागरूक कर रहे हैं, लोगों को जगा रहे हैं. अरे भाई आप ईमानदार बनिए और नेता को ईमानदारी तरीका से चूज करिए. ईमानदार नेता होगा तो आपके लिए काम करेगा, वरना नहीं तो काम हो नहीं पाएगा. This is the first thing he is doing. This is going on a large scale. We have 13 camps in the whole of Bihar and every district of Bihar, major districts of Bihar and major regions of Bihar, and we are spreading this message of Jan Swaraj. हर घर जन स्वराज हम लोग कर रहे हैं. ये बहुत बढ़िया अभियान है, and more than 800 to 1000 people in Bihar are working on Jan Swaraj as a project, and Har Ghar Jan Swaraj, and there are many people who are working on building a nice common people's party. Second thing is, I have spoken about party in my last words. I'll continue the second point with this also, with this itself. So the second point is the first point is he is जागरूक कर रहे हैं, लोगों को जगा रहे हैं, awaken कर रहे हैं. दूसरा चीज है, he is making a political party, he is forming a political party. We did not establish a political party, we did not name a political party, but what Prashant Kishore wants to do is he wants to create a political party where middle class citizens of this country, middle class bacha of this country can come and participate in politics. He time and again says from Bihar, from the last 50 years, whoever are becoming MLAs and MPs at Bihar are only coming from 1300 से 1500 परिवार से ही आ रहे हैं. वही लोग जिस पार्टी में गया, जिस पार्टी सत्ता में आ गया, वो पार्टी में चला गया, वो वहां मंत्री बन गया, वहां विधायक बन गया, वहां सांसद बन गया, और किसी को उसको छोड़कर अलावा कोई स्पेस नहीं दे रहे हैं. अगर आपके मेरे जैसे व्यक्ति बिहार में, बिहार का राजनीति में एंटर करना चाहते हैं तो कोई स्पेस नहीं है. चाहे वो जो भी है, चाहे आप किसी का भी बेटा हो, आपको राजनीति में घुसने का आधार नहीं है, आपको घुसने का कोई स्पेस नहीं है. आपको नेता का बेटा ही बनना होगा, आपको पूंजीपति वाला का खानदान से ही आना होगा. यही है. इसीलिए he wants to form a political system where middle class students also, middle class bacha also can come into politics. This is the second, what he is doing. In order to do that, he is providing, political assistance and aid to every person who wants to do politics at the ground level. So there's a PK Youth Club concept, and I'll explain you it in my further videos. As this video is going long, I'll just cut it short. He is wanting to form a political party with commoners in its space, with middle class students in its space to build a people's party. It should not be party of Prashant Kishore, it should be party of people. So Jan Suraj करने के लिए. And third thing is he want to develop work culture in Bihar. देखिए बिहार में या खास तौर के राजनीति में what happens is, जो आपके पीछे पीछे घूमते हैं आप उसी को बढ़ाने लगते हो, जो आपके परिवार के है उसी को बढ़ाने लगते हो. पर what Prashant Kishore is doing is he wants to bring those kids who are hard working. See, if a kid is hard working, if a person is hard working, if he is so intense in his work, he promotes such kind of persons, and he is making a work culture where work is the main pillar of growth, not your caste, not your religion, not your on which आप अमीर बेटा का बेटा हो, अमीर बाप का बेटा हो, गरीब बाप का बेटा हो. This is what he is doing. So this is a short video I have made on Prashant Kishore, what Prashant Kishore wants to do in Bihar and what is he doing in Bihar. So if you watch this content, and if you like this video, please like this video and comment on my video how far you liked it and what's your opinion on it. And if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. And this is channel created by me. My name is Praveen, and I am from southern part of India, working with Prashant Kishore in the Jan Suraj Abhiyan from the last 20 months. So we have worked in every space. We have worked in due to घर घर जन सुराज के लिए हम घर घर भी जाते थे और क्या बोलते हैं लोग को समझाते थे. वो वीडियोस भी हमारे चैनल में हैं, वो भी आप देख सकते हो. और यूथ क्लब के पास जाके लोगों को राजनीतिक मौका कैसे दिया जा सकता है उसके बारे में हम लोग वीडियोस बनाए थे, आप वो भी देख सकते हो. और वर्क कल्चर कैसे होगा वो उसके बारे में हम लोग वीडियोस बनाए थे, आप देख सकते हो. And we have come close to this video, come close to this video. And if you like this video, please consider subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Namaskaram.